to stay in shape, try to stay active. Okay? Try to stay and get some kind of conditioning. Okay? I'll send you a Bears workout for the summer so you guys all know what to do to keep in shape. All right? And then we'll see you in August. Okay? Huh? Then we'll do Beast Awards, yes, as well. Okay? Beast Awards today. Who has not gotten a Beast Award this week? Okay, we're giving Beast Awards to everybody because everybody has come out and worked their butts off this week. So Beast Awards to the whole team this week. Okay?
All right.
Great job, guys. Great jobs. And remember, like I said before, and Coach John talked about it the other day. Listen up. Football is a great game because it teaches you about good sportsmanship, right? It teaches you about teamwork, most importantly. Okay? It's not about one guy. You count on 11 guys on the field with you to make things happen. Okay? Quiet. Okay? So it's really important that you guys learn that, and this is part of that learning experience, and it's a good learning experience for life as well. Okay? Do your best at whatever you do, like Coach John said. Okay? Whether it's schoolwork, whether it's on the athletic field, or listening to your parents and helping them around the house. Do your best. Okay? All right, let's go. Break it down. Hard work on 3. Let's go, everybody.
1, 2, 3. Hard work!